HVAC systems, types, working, and maintenance. Hello everyone! Welcome back to HVAC official channel. Today we are talking about the complete world of HVAC. As you know, HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. It is an all-in-one system designed to ensure good air quality and comfort inside any building. Whether you live in a house or work in a big office, you are likely surrounded by an HVAC system. Today, I will explain the different types of systems and how to choose the right one. Residential HVAC systems for homes. In homes, we usually see four main types of systems. Central split systems. This is used to control the climate of the entire home from one central unit. Every room usually has the same temperature and humidity settings. You can customize these with smart thermostats for better control. Ductless split systems. This is the most common type we see in Karachi. It consists of an indoor unit on the wall and an outdoor unit, compressor. It is perfect for cooling or heating a specific room. Package units. These are bigger than split systems but smaller than full central units. They can be installed indoors or outdoors. The outdoor option is popular because it requires less maintenance. Window-type HVAC. This is a single unit where the compressor and cooling coils are in one box. It is the easiest to install and works great for small rooms. Commercial HVAC systems for businesses. Commercial buildings have bigger needs, so they use different technology. Single split systems, similar to residential, but with added ductwork to distribute air better in shops, cafes, or small offices. Multi-split systems. Here, multiple indoor units are connected to just one large outdoor unit. This is great for offices with many rooms because you can control the temperature of each room separately. Packaged Terminal AC, PTAC. You will mostly see these in hotels. They allow every guest to control their own room's climate. They are larger and more powerful than window ACs, variable refrigerant flow, VRF. This is high-end technology for large offices. It is very energy efficient because it only sends the exact amount of refrigerant needed to each area. It can even heat one room while cooling another. Combination systems. Large buildings often mix different types of units and industrial fans to get the best air circulation and save on electricity costs. Achieving better air quality. The most important feature of any HVAC system is ventilation. Proper ventilation ensures that there is enough oxygen and that dangerous gases or odors are removed. A good system should be able to remove airborne bacteria and dust, control moisture levels, humidity, to stop mold and fungus from growing on walls. Keep the air fresh so the people inside feel healthy and energetic. The importance of maintenance. All these benefits, cooling, heating, and clean air, become useless if you don't maintain your system. An HVAC unit is an investment. If you don't clean the filters or check the gas levels, the system will work harder, use more electricity, and eventually fail. Regular maintenance ensures that your system lasts for many years and provides the comfort you paid for. Conclusion. Choosing the right HVAC system depends on your space and your needs. Whether it's a simple window unit for a bedroom or a complex VRF system for an office, understanding how they work is the first step to being a pro.